Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 6 book. As you know, I was teaching you this chapter, Dasu 2, and last day I have taught you till here. Today I will start from here. At last, Hatu Katu's mother awoke, and in a moment she roused the rest of the family. Shouting loudly, they attacked the tiger with heavy sticks. Then, in despair, Hatu Katu's mother threw a lighted torch at it. The flames of the torch and the noise of the shouting frightened the tiger. He leaped sulkily down the valley and was gone. So at last Hatu Katu's mother woke. He woke, and in a moment she roused. In a moment he he woke up all the family, by shouting loudly. What he was shouting? That they are attacked by tigers, and with heavy sticks. Then in despair, Hatu Katu's mother threw a lighted torch. He threw a lighted torch on it, and the flames of the torch and the noise of the shouting. So the flames of the torch and the noise of the people frightened the tiger, and he leapt shakily down the valley and went to the he ran away from there, the tiger. Hatu Katu was not badly hurt, though he was brushed and had few cuts where the tiger had bitten his shoulder. But poor Dasu, whom they found hiding in a corner, was badly wounded. Hatu Katu's mother bound up the boy's cut with a piece of dirty rag and placed a lump of salt against the sore places. But they all shook their heads over Dasu. So Hatu Katu was not badly hurt, though he was brushed and a few cuts. Only few cuts where the tiger has bitten in his shoulder. But poor Dasu, who had been hiding in a corner, was badly wounded. He was wounded very badly. Hatu Katu's mother bound up the boy's cut with the pieces of dirty rag. So he bounded the cuts with a rag and placed a lamp of salt. So placed a salt lamp against the sore places, but they all shook their head over Dasu. I fear we are going to lose Dasu. Indeed, he was as good as dead already, said Hatu Katu's father, as he went to light a great fire and to mend the broken places in the pen. Hatu Katu kept and begged until his mother and one of the men picked up the dog and washed his wounds. So I fear we are going to lose. So he said that I fear we are going to lose Dasu. Indeed, he is as good as dead already. So he is as good and dead already. Who said? Hatu Katu's father. He went to light up the great fire. He went to light the fire and to mend the broken places in the pen. So he is going to mend the broken places. Hatu Katu kept and cried and begged until his mother. So he was crying, begging, until his mother and one of his men picked up the dog. So one of the men picked up the dog and washed his wound also. After many days of careful attention, Dasu recovered, though he was never as strong as swift of foot as before. He was Hatu Katu's shadow more than ever now and followed the boy everywhere. So after many days of careful attention, Dasu got recovered, and he was not as strong as a swift of foot as before. But now, and he was now Hatu Katu's shadow more than, and he was following the boys everywhere. Sometimes other Tibetans who came to the camp would laugh and say, "Why do you keep that crippled old sheepdog? We would give plenty of puppies which would be of more use to you and would eat less than that lazy animal." So sometimes other Tibetans would came to the camp and they will laugh at them. And what they would say? They would say, "Why did you keep that crippled old sheepdog? We would give you many puppies and it would be more useful to you, and it would eat also less compared to this animal, lazy animal. To those people, Hatu Katu's father would reply, "We grudge Dasu nothing. He saved my little son's life and he is our best friend." So to those people, Hatu Katu's father will give reply that we grudge Dasu nothing. He saved my son's life and he is our best friend. Who is our best friend? Dasu, the dog. So before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will write the question answer of this chapter. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This question answer you will write in your literature copy. This is your homework. Okay, that's all.